Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Al-Masry versus Kaizer Chiefs. Asiqaleni laphana first half bafethu. Sibonile first half igame beyibalance but ama-teams awacreate-anga lesiya ama-clear cut opportunities la besibona khona ukuthi angakwazi ukukora. The only chance that I saw ile eblockwe u-Cross. That was a big chance la bayicreate-ile laphana Al-Masry. But-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs abafana bazibonakalisile bafethu ukuthi baye empini, they're prepared to fight and ukumake sure ukuthi bayayisiza team. Even Mdu Shabalala, you could see they were running all over the place, fighting, not just letting the team lay izenzele. Besazi ukuthi le team le izoqala nge-aggression izama ukuphusha, but i-Chiefs first half ikwazile ukuba meet laphana nge-aggression. So asingene negamini laphana first half siqale khona. So i-character le-Chiefs libonile ukuthi beli-good kakhulu. But-ke uthi eqala i-match khona la Mdu aluze khona ibhola unnecessary because of bekumele abe quick bekanama options ukuthi aphasele. I think uSolomons bekalo wafuna ukulihold ibhola kanti kunomuntu wakwazi ukulithatha. But-ke kudos to umthetho angazi ukuthi ushaya ama-recoveries angakanani bafethu. Yabona ukuba komthetho laphana ku-midfielder ucisha wonke umlilo ongenzeka. I-play important kakhulu ukushilda i-defense because amanye amabhola uyawawina laphana esiswini umbobo besibona ukuthi angaba dangerous. Khona-ke i-moment kalokhu njani bafethu ka-Inacio Miguel. Inacio Miguel was easily beaten by a player and then they created a big opportunity laphana or bebathi bayali-cross or bebenzani but uPeterson wakumele ukuthi alisave lelo bhola lelo. And Inacio Miguel is easily beaten, bashaya iphasi, ukuyinika uphelezela i-player, umaka i-space, akayi straight ukuthi ashaye i-tackle, asithi ukuthi ashaye i-tackle or amake sure ukuthi umaka i-space but i-player can't cross lela bhola lela. But-ke was he didn't guide the player well because they were able to cross la bhola. Could have easily created inkinga. USolomon simbonile laphana ku-right back bafethu bamnika amabhola bekungasi first half yakhe, to be honest. Khona la avele wafuna ukushaya khona bamnikile ama-opportunities like ufuna ukushaya kune-counter bamnika ulo umnika i-option ulo Mdu kwa-left uthi ngiphase mfethu Solomon ufuna ukushaya ushaya into enga-understandeki-ke noku-understandeka waphinde futhi bamnika I think uluze ibhola kawu-3 if not kawu-2 unnecessary. Bekangekho egamini uSolomons but sisibonile ispeed saka-Du-Plessis. Yabo kwesinye isikhathi i-player you have to know ukuthi okay sine-strike ezikanje nakanje laba abanye abadlala kuma-different position. I think it was a good technical decision ukuthi uDu-Plessis adlale esayidini because of sisibonile ispeed sakhe lapho nalapho. But the concern ukuthi ukhipha awuqalisi lesi ama-player performa kahle, uqalisa i-player lesi ihlala ebhenjini for some time. Lento lokuthi abakabi ne-first starting 11 laphana abayithembayo, so you don't know ukuthi kuzoqala bani. Ulo Modi ube nama-moments wakhe naye bekumele khona la phase khona ulo kakhulu uCross bekumele agijimele ibhola khona la cross ekhona overhit that ball. Decision making nje lapho kumele alungiswe uModi. But-ke the fighting spirit was all over the place. You could see there were moments la esayidini la ka-Cross uCross emakana ispace akaye endodeni umaka ispace because of i-Al-Masry maybe eze esayidini la ka-Cross uCross u-tracker back ufuna ukuyoba close to nama-center backs and then lo bekumele ngabe ummakile uthola i-opportunity ukuthi angene free kula ashaya khona lo munye but-ke washaya eceleni kakhulu. That was a poor shot. But-ke nje izinto bekumele bazibheke laphana ukuthi zingabatrouble in a long run. Akhona ama-chances big 2 chances wasted. Okay, lawa vele wakaSolomons sibonile because uSolomons khona la abamba khona ibhola one man but akazi ukuthi enzeni ngalo agcine selimosha. But-ke for me one of the best performers of first half would be umthetho bafethu, what a player. Kube ne-moment laphana ebesheki for uPeterson. uPeterson angimazi ubamba ibhola laphana ubhekele phambili ukuthi ufuna ukulikhahlelela bani, shaya straight iplayer lelo le-Al-Masry like enough liyashaya liphinde libuyela kuye wakwazi ukulibamba ibhola lakhona. Otherwise ngabe nje kuba i-mess, ngabe udonate ngebhola, so into ekungamelanga ayenze. Inacio Miguel likhala ngalento le njalo ubamba abantu, ubambe omunye umuntu laphana elayinini ngeskipa straight. Ngamangala ukuthi ukhalelani ngoba umdonse ngeskipa sonke sambona ukuthi umdonse ngeskipa, not to Revely. uRevely vele obviously uzofavor i-home team because of you could see ukuthi ba-aggressive and base-home nama-fans behind bona bazozama futhi ukupressurize uRevli, but-ke i-National kumele minimize amalo lento yakhe ukuthi adonsane nabantu. Unnecessary yellow cards from uMiguel noKwinika, angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni just before i-first half iphela bathola ama-yellow card unnecessary, and izinto ezingakhosti i-team because manje sodlala uyacabanga ukuthi ngenza i-tackle ebhedayo kusho ukuthi ngizothola enye i-yellow card sengine-red card ngiphume, so you don't do that. Cabanga two of your centre backs banama-yellow card, ne-team le isazo-attack and sibonile le team le ifuna ama-penalty angekho, 18 bayawisa, uRevli akayiboni le as i-offense ukuthi bafuna ukumthenga lapha ne-18 akajaji nokujaji ukuthi ahambe ayonika lowa muntu le yellow card. But yeah, I really like the fighting spirit from the gents, and then asingene second half. Ithe iqala igame yaba exciting, sabona ku-pick up i-pace ngempela. Al-Masri ibuye second half ifuna ukushaya igoli, beyi-quick, bekune-sense of urgency. uPeterson bekumele ashaya ama-saves awu-2 alandelanayo in a minute or so. Big saves from uPeterson, okwazile ukuba-save, but-ke minutes later uPeterson uconsider i-penalty bafethu elibheda because of there was no real threat. Lo muntu lo usesayidini la ka-goalkeeper, uPeterson even if uyaphuma bekumele azame ukuguide lo muntu lo, because there was no real threat. It was just poor goalkeeping from uPeterson, but at the same time poor marking from uMthethwa, because uMthethwa ureader ibhola lize emoyeni, ufuna ukuli-attack-a and then bamshaya ngomzimba, ushawa i-attacker yalaphana bafethu ku-Al-Masri. So they could have done way better in terms of like ukuthi bangaliconcede le penalty le. Ubani uModisha or Mugisha lo wakhona bafethu lo shaya ipenalty walithola i-striker sakhona lishaya phakathi, ubanika i-problem kakhulu laphana abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs. Simbonile khona nale big moment ayi-create-ile, ajika baveyisa bawa and then washaya bablock-ke. That was a good thing. That was a really good thing from i-defense ye-Chiefs ukubonisa ukuthi ba-stable laphana, bayazama. They did everything in their power to make sure ukuthi ba-defenda kahle kakhulu. So they did quite well. And then isibone replacement immediately iKaizer Chiefs maqeda ukuconsider ungena uVilakazi noVelebayi, bakhipha uModi noDupreez. uModi noDupreez, they didn't give i-Chiefs that much laphana first half of the game. That is why they were replaced. And lapho-ke bese badinga igoli. Immediately after lapho uVilakazi uphasele uSolomons washaya i-great solo run, wagijima yedwa for isikhathi, then ikhathi wakwazi ulishaya ngo-left-ke nge-weak foot lakhe lela bhola. Good goal, a good run from yena umfowethu laphana odlala cabanga i-right back ukuthi akwazi ukushaya igoli of that magnitude ahambe nalo. Ucele there was yabo Ucele akakwazi ukumaka. That's what I saw. Akakwazi ukumaka because khona la ukhapha ibhola or ukhapha ama-player we-Al-Masri than ukuthi a-commit. But-ke ube ne-game decent. I can't really fault him that much because of away. They had to, ukudlala different because of their away. They were away, but-ke they needed that aggression. But ucela unfortunately akakwazi ukumaka. uVilakazi ube nama-opportunities awu-3. Yokuqala singeneni kuyo, uqeda ukungena ukhatha ibhola, uyakhatha ufuna ukushaya and engela imvumela useceleni, waphinda futhi wathola enye futhi wafuna ukushaya instead ukuthi asquare baliblock, and then a big one bawu-2 i-counter attack, wafuna ukushaya goalkeeper walisave, not enough power behind the ball. Kulawo ama-opportunities oyi-3 lawa watholile, Kaizer Chiefs ngabe ikwazile lese ukuthola a-goal or 2 if ucabange ngoku-assista because it's a good pass of the ball. If ucabange ngokuphasa, but-ke melapha yena ngathi becabangela yena kuphela. No, uVilakazi I wish angishongo ukuthi ushabalala ngoba uVilakazi ama-opportunities wakhe uvele nje bayacabangela igoli umfana. But yeah, you need that thing from ama-youngsters ukuthi I-believe ukuthi angakora, but at the same time cabangela i-team kwesinye isikhathi. So ubheke, ube calculative kahle, ungaveli nje uthathe i-decision engeke i-benefit i-team. Then i-replacement enkulu-ke ngibone kungena uLebohang Maboy no-George Matlou, bakhipha laphana uShabalala. I was surprised ukubona uMatlou engena, but I thought to myself, okay, they wanna close laphana emuva ukuthi i-midfielder yabo ibe-packed ukuthi bakwazi ukuprotecta ibhola kakhulu laphana ukuthi i-Al-Masri ingabaniki i-problem kakhulu, because ufaka uMatlou asimjwayelanga that much. ukudlala especially this season, but-ke bayazi ukuthi bamfakelani because maybe bebafuna ukuthi aholde ibhola more and then badominate laphana esiswini more because of if bebangakwazi ukuholda ibhola more, it meant that Al-Masry bengeke ibe nama-opportunities amaningi noma bengeke idominate. But yeah, igame beyi-well balanced to be fair. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, they really came to the party. They defended well throughout 90 minutes. But hey, kuke kwaba ne-chaos bafethu from laphana. Kwaba nama-chaos a few la i-Al-Masry ikore khona ekugcineni. I was just sad to see ukuthi they defended laphana well throughout the game, only for them to concede igame seyiyophela. That was just that was a bad defending because of angazi ukuthi ubani bekumele aclear ibhola khona lo belibhekane naye straight kumele aliclear ngoligejile goal. Heartbreak, last minute. Yeah, ikhona I don't or I can't even cause as ama-player ngifuna ukubuyela kule moment le ubani umuntu okumele aclear ibhola laphana uInacio Miguel. uInacio Miguel kumele aclear ibhola liyamhlula. uInacio Miguel uyokhosta i-team kahle kahle kulela goal leli because ibhola liyeza it's not a difficult ball to clear. Uyaligeja la bhola and then bayaliqedelela abafana be-Al-Masry, so bashawe ngama-mistake wabo, so yibo kulela bhola lela kulela goal lela yibo abadlisile to be honest ukuthi bagcine sebaconsider lela goal lela. You consider ibhola like i-goal 86 minutes and then it's going to be very difficult for you to get ama-results or to even fight to make sure ukuthi uthola something, because for me I thought they could have easily got ilokhunjana 3 points laphana bafethu or something laphana e-Egypt, because there was a ball even alidlalile laphana ubani uzithi uvele baye from esayidini lakhe laphana sebaku-agent beating a player and then wakwazi ukulicross ibhola. Unfortunately bakwazanga ukulithola laphana lela bhola lela, and then ema-last minutes uyazi-ke Egypt waste isikhathi. So on the continent you have to know ukuthi uzodila nalezi zinto lezo ukuthi waste isikhathi. 88 minutes goalkeeper uhlala phansi ngento engekho. I don't know why Orevli abantu mabanga waste isikhathi eside laphana banga-80 lapho but I was very poor for Inacio Miguel bafethu. Yazi amanye ama-moments uma uwabheka uyasho ukuthi hayibo la muntu ibhola is not a difficult ball, like ibhola elisimple ukuthi aliclear but limhlulile ukulicleara lela bhola leli. So you go away at least you have to come back net draw. When you lose, especially uma lose i-first game yakho usazodlala nabo Zamalek, home you can try and get some obviously win, but away kumele uthole umake sure ukuthi away you get i-point. It was just a game, it was up there for the taking, to be honest. They got ama-opportunities wabo ukuthi baye laphana phambili. Peterson uzamile ukuseva, but-ke lawo ma-moments lawo it was not meant to be in terms of them getting something laphana Egypt or getting leyo 3 points leyo, because they wanted to get something. It was very important for them to get something Egypt, but it was not meant to be on the day. They have themselves to blame. Amagoli wabo awu-2 ebekungamelanga angene, penalty Peterson bekumele acabange kangcono. Defense before even lapho Peterson ya-commit i-defense beyikuphi uze umthetho azithole kuleya position, but leli ka Inacio Miguel that one cela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.